Hi, I'm Anne. I'm from Belgium and I work for RGF Staffing located in Antwerp. RGF Staffing is a group in HR services, and we cater every company with HR needs. It's as easy as trying to find temporary workers or trying to get some subsidized projects from the government, and everything in between, from hiring or payroll of the people working for your company. I work as a business analyst and I analyze the needs of our customers to try to make their workforce planning as efficient as possible. We especially use DELMIA Quintiq for our large accounts, where planning of a workforce isn't as simply as asking people when are you available to work and just come on in and fill a spot at the work floor. We try to listen to our clients and especially try to plan the people with the best qualifications at the best spots and maximize the efficiency, but also the employment pleasure of it by catering to their needs and their availabilities. We started using Quintiq more or less 10 years ago, and now we are looking to the future and trying to make the planning of our workforce as automated as possible. Let me give you one example. Last year I visited a bread factory where they baked loaves of bread but also little buns, and they had some trouble filling the planning of the workforce. So we implemented Quintiq, and it saved them up to 5 hours a week just by using Quintiq to fulfill their workforce planning. This event is valuable for us because when we are looking to the future of Quintiq within our company, we often ask clients or current end users, but maybe we shouldn't always come up with the brightest idea, and maybe we can learn from each other throughout different sectors just by connecting here, and maybe this will give me a great idea to propose to my clients or to the end users in the upcoming months. So fingers crossed, and I hope a lot of networking will do the work.